Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 different ways to hide and show tabs on the Find application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Find application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the Find application. Let's go to the toolbar on top, go to View, and we will be looking to show all tabs. Before we do that, let's just open up a couple of tabs. Command T, a new tab. Command T, another tab, or we can use the plus sign to create a new tab. Let's just open up Adobe, go to the 3rd tab, open up GitHub, go to Documents, 2nd tab, open up Grids. So Documents, Grids, GitHub, Adobe, these are all tabs that we will be working with. So go to View and go to Show All Tabs. And this now gives us an overview of every tab that we have opened up within the Find application. Go back to View, Exit tab, Overview. So that's the first way that we can show all tabs and then exit the tab view. And now we can use a keyboard shortcut in the second way to show all tabs. So the keyboard shortcut is as following: Shift Command / to show all the tabs. If we wish to exit the tab view, it's the same keyboard shortcut, Shift Command / so we can now close every tab we have. Quick Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.